Well, I've been kind of resonating with lions for probably at least 15 years. Part of it is a spiritual aspect to my life. As a naturally timid person, I was always more of a sheep, but there came a time in my life, and I think there does in all people, where the lions got to roar. I knew the Bridge Alliance had gone through restoration and they built the new bridge, and during that time they took the lions away. I felt like the lions are a big historical landmark in St. Augustine, and I called the Bridge Commission, and they said that the lions were going to be returned and put back in their position around March or April of this year, which was kind of concurrent with my show. I've moved to these other paintings that are more organic, where I let them tell me what the lion's going to be doing and what the lion looks like and who the lion is. I think I'm not the only person that may be a little too tightly wrapped. We live more in a world of being imposed on. It's our chance to expose. And I thought, I don't want to impose on my art or impose on even a surface anymore. I don't like controlling people. I don't like to be controlled and manipulated. Why would I want to put art out there that is imposing if I don't like being imposed upon? I want to be part of the stream that exposes and that flows and that resonates.